Here. My name is Erwin Rivera. I work with the Enlace program here in northern New Mexico. The educational experience that sticks with me strongly was an incident that happened with four of our students back in, I believe, about 2004, 2005 at the state legislature. It had to do with Senate Bill 582, which would allow immigrant students to qualify for the New Mexico Lottery Scholarship. It also would remove the need of Social Security numbers on college applications. We teach through our best practices of service leadership and academic rigor. Much of what we do is we teach public speaking skills, facilitation, and also how for students to find their passion and to speak from that. There were four young women that were our Enlace students. It was Enlace Day at the legislature. Governor Richardson had come in and spoke to our large group of students. As of yet, he had not committed to support SB 582, and a lot of people thought he was maybe even opposed to it. After he had finished his speech, these four young ladies met up with the governor, and they started asking him very direct questions as to what would it take to get his support for Senate Bill 582. And I was observing this from a distance, and I remember he almost kind of brushed the students aside, patted one on the head, saying that's a very intelligent question. But between the four young women, they were high school juniors and seniors, and their passion and involvement with this issue was so strong, and in how they continue to confront the governor to answer their questions, and again, they would give responses when he gave reasons why he felt he couldn't support it at the time, and continued. And I saw about a 4 or 5, 6 minute exchange between these students cornering the governor on this particular issue with their passion, with their concerns, with excellent points of information, to the point the governor called an aide, one of his staffers, over, took their information, and they followed up with them. About 2, 3 days later, the governor finally announced his support for SB 582. I firmly believe that it was those four young women that convinced the governor that his arguments against it, they were able to prove him wrong or correct him in terms of the information that they knew. But more importantly, those young women did everything that we encourage students to do, what we teach them that they have the right to do and the responsibility to do. That this responsibility in this democracy is more than just citizenship, that even without that citizenship, that they practice civic engagement, they practice social responsibility. They were able to hold a governor accountable to those same issues that we ask our young ones to embrace and to practice. These young women, all four of them, have gone on to be incredible academic successes. All of them have gone on and graduated college. One of them's in law school at this time. And some amazing examples of these young women, but at a very young age, to see them uh, speak with passion, speak articulately, to deal with a person in power, in a position of power, the highest seat in the state government. And these four young high school girls, I believe, changed that governor's mind for the good of New Mexico, and particularly for a better situation in education for undocumented immigrant students.